Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. As we all know, Indian makeup is considered the best in the world. The techniques and the flows they use that are attractive and creative, especially eye makeup. It is so gorgeous and elegant, making your eye look colorful and attractive. This makeup is just amazing and attractive. Brides can wear this makeup, or if you're going to a wedding, then you can wear this makeup. This tutorial should be very helpful for brides who are looking for best makeup looks for their wedding, as it is a dream of every girl to look perfect on her day. Here I'm going to share a helpful tutorial for best Indian makeup look. So I'm gonna start off with skin preparation. I'm using Aranya Okra Day Cream and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. Prepping is the most important step before applying any makeup product. Cleansing, exfoliating and moisturizing your face is as important as applying primer, as it helps remove dirt, excess oil and other impurities that might ruin your base makeup. Next I'll be using Good Vibes Skin Glow Oil, and I love this oil so much. I'm gonna rub it on my palm and apply it gently on my face. Now I'm taking L'Oreal Brow Pomade. Starting off from the center and working towards the tail, I'm gonna fill it in. Now I'm gonna take some concealer and clear the area of my brows. This is going to make them look more crisp. Now I'm taking a clean spoolie and brushing through my eyebrows. This is going to soften up my eyebrows a little bit. I'm using Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer. I just applied it all over my eyelids and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge and set everything in place. The palette that I'm using is Gorgeous Me palette from Beauty Glazed, and this is what it looks like from the inside. This is honestly one of my favorite palettes. So the first shade I went in with is this light blue shade, and I put that in my crease as my transition shade with a big fluffy brush, just going back and forth motions. Next, I picked up a shade little darker than the previous one and I grabbed a pointed brush and I started to add definition in my crease, winging it out when I get to the outer corner. And then I go back into the first shade that I applied and a fluffy brush just to blend it out. Then I grabbed those two blue shades and started to add some depth in the outer lid, fading it. And then I went with the first transition shade to make sure everything is good and blended. Then I took my concealer and I just cleaned up all over my inner lid area. The shimmer I went in with is from Jaclyn Hill palette and I absolutely love this palette. And then I took this light greenish shimmer shade and applied it in the center lid. I'm using Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liquid Eyeliner just to make a small line. Now I'm gonna take some drops of Farsali Liquid Glass Serum and I will apply it on my face. This magical formula not only gives you a smooth application, but it makes your foundation last much longer. Now it's time to apply a base on my face. I'm gonna make sure my base is according to my skin tone, otherwise my makeup won't look good. I'll use MAC Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC20 and I'll apply it all over my face with a damp beauty sponge. Now I'm taking Maybelline Age Divine Concealer in the shade Light and I'll apply it under my eyes, my forehead, my nose and around my mouth. I'm using Maybelline V-Face Duo Stick. Applying cream contour is a great way to instantly shape your face and emphasize your cheekbones. Now I'll go ahead and set my face with this Sugar Cosmetics translucent powder. Now I'm taking MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade NC46 and I'll just bronze up my face. I'm using Revlon blush. I just love this blush. As you can see, it's totally over I'll apply it on the apple of my cheeks. Now I'm taking those blue shades I used earlier and I'll apply it under my eyes. I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. It's such a beautiful highlighter, it blends so beautifully, as you can see the glow. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply my false eyelashes. Now I'm gonna apply Maybelline Color Sensational Creme Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. As you can see, it's such a pretty nude color. It's very creamy and it's super pigmented. It glides on your lips so easily. I'm gonna lock my makeup with this LA Colors setting spray. And now I'm gonna finish off my look with this divine perfume. The fragrance itself is very divine and seductive. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed creating it. To stay up to date with my latest videos and amazing makeup, skincare and tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. If you do like this look, then please let me know in the comments down below.